Hi everyone, and if you want to fix Reddit no sound, so as you can see on my first video, on the second video, I can't hear anything. You can solve this problem really easy. All you need to do is just simply click here and make sure that your soundbar is on. So let's try it. As you can hear, my sound is working. But what we can do if we don't take any notifications, we need to click on our profile icon in the top right corner, click on settings, and here we need to find notifications and make sure that our notifications is on. And that's all. Your sound will be working on Reddit. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.